Hi, my name is Ken and I'd like to show you my model railway and my future plans for an extension to it. My model railway is housed in this Compton portable concrete garage which measures some 6.5 metres by 3.5 metres. So let's go inside and take a look. By the way, you have been warned. The layout has been designed to allow the car to come into the garage without disturbing the railway. Unfortunately, this necessitates the use of narrow baseboards and sharp curves. Access is through the door for the car, that is, and this section is taken out, which normally is the viaduct. The flaps on either side are raised as shown here to allow the car to enter. And here we see the sectional parts ready to be replaced, both the viaduct and scenery. And all my small dioramas are placed on sub baseboards which can be lifted up as desired and worked on and then replaced. Here you can see the viaduct replaced in its original position, and also now the flap is down and the garage scene is in situ along with the Tudor cottage. My model railway, which is double O gauge and DC control, is called St Evan and is set in the North Cornwall, North Devon border area, which was commonly known as the Withered Arm. It's a combination of southern region and western region, and is set between 1959 and 1965. So it's possible to run both steam, and when I feel like alternating it, I can then put in my diesel local stock, which will form the basis of the transition from steam to diesel. Southern region ran this area up until 1963, when it was taken over by the Western region, who directly set about changing the stock and the locomotives from steam to diesel, which coincided with the Beeching report of 63.